ko ng review ito. This one. This beautiful brush pens. Actually, kahapon lang to dumating. Pero, super excited ako makita siya. So, nabuksan agad. Pero, ngayon, gagawan ko siya ng review. I bought this from Shopee. Okay? So, anyway, wala naman tayong ibang pwedeng bilhan kung hindi. It's either Shopee or Lazada. Kasi, yun lang, may free shipping at mabilis din mag-ship. Kasi kung pupunta ka pa sa isang store, bibili ka doon, pamasahe mo, magsasayang ka, oras, yung travel pa, yung traffic, pagkain pa. So, online na lang. Lahat online. Lahat ng art stuffs ko, binibili ko online. So, this one, I bought this for 630 pesos sa isang shop sa Shopee. Anyway, ilalagay ko ang link ilalagay ko ang photo, ang information sa taas ng price nito at saka kung saang shop. So, disclaimer lang, I am not affiliated to any or to that particular shop or to anything. Gusto ko lang bigyan to ng review kasi as I have noticed, walang masyadong mga reviews regarding art stuff sa YouTube. So, ito. Actually, if I will rate this from 1 to 10, bigyan ko siya ng 8. Bakit? I was a little bit disappointed dito sa kanya. Actually, ang ganda ng kulay niya, but I thought this is a real brush pens. Kagaya sa pigment liner ko na like this one. I thought kagaya siya nito na very flexible yung brush niya. As in, brush talaga siya. But no. Actually, parang felt pen lang siya. Yung normal na art pen. Ganun lang siya. Kasi, although the tips looks like the brush, but it doesn't work like the brush. Ang titigas niya. Promise, matitigas siya. So, mayroong ibang soft, pero hindi pa rin siya considered as brush. Okay? Yung ibang mga ano niya is medyo matigas. So, hindi maganda siya masyadong ikulay. Anyway, mayroon akong ginawang swatches para sa kanya. So, let's watch this. Okay? So, ito yung nagawang swatch ko sa kanya. Okay. Ang kagandahan lang sa kanya, marami siyang color selections. So, the shades of blue, green, purple, yellow, and red, marami siyang shades na pagpipilian. So, for a beginner artist like me, it's very suitable. But for the pro artist, siguro may ginagamit silang ibang brand, which I don't know yet. Kasi ito yung nakita kong very cheap, very affordable online actually. Just 620 pesos. So, the brand name for this one is, I don't know, sorry, hindi ko, wala siyang brand name eh. Anyway, nakalagay naman sa taas kung saan ko siya nabili. So, yun guys, para sa akin, okay lang siya. Okay lang. But for a pro artist, siguro, I wouldn't recommend it. Kasi, unang-una, ang hinahanap ko is brush pens. Yung madaling mag-glide sa papers or sa vellum board pag nag-color, nag-start ka na mag-paint. But it is not. Para lang siyang pens talaga, as you can see sa swatches na ginawa ko. Yung strokes niya is parang sa isang normal na colored pencil. So, regarding sa price, I think it's a bit pricey. Although, dual tip pen siya, I think it's a little bit pricey for me. At saka matagal kong pinag-ipunan to ha. Super tagal, mga 1 buwan ko itong pinag-ipunan. Promise. Kasi, mula Pasko, yung napamaskuhan, yun. Kasi, need ko talaga ng other art materials. Kasi wala talaga akong, as you can see at my back, wala akong masyadong maraming art materials or hindi kompletong art materials ko. Anyway, sa susunod na video, I will make a video of the review naman ng Himi Gouache na binili ko online. Same Shopee pa rin. So, thank you so much guys for watching. Hopefully, nakatulong siya sa inyo. Hopefully, nagkaroon kayo ng insight or kung anong bibilihin niyo online. Okay? Hopefully, meron kayong nakuhang info na maganda galing sa akin. So, keep on watching, guys. So, this is my very first time to appear in the camera, not doing speed drawings. So, I will also make a video about how I start to be an artist. Actually, it has a very deep meaning why I became an artist. So anyway, sa susunod na video na lang yun, okay? So, abangan nyo guys. So, please keep on supporting me, keep on watching my videos. I promise you guys, I will give you quality content. Okay? Bye guys! Thank you so much!